what do we have here? Looks like we've got a Lowrider car meet. Yeah, because I'm going to show you some die-cast Lowriders in my personal collection. So thanks for hopping on, and let's take another ride on the die-cast carousel as we show you some die-cast Lowriders. So here we are with the car show about to start, and they're all lined up and ready to go. So let's spin some Lowriders this edition of Die-Cast Carousel. So I did my best to find all my loose ones. Got some cars, classics, and even some trucks to show you. So let's start off here with some Hot Wheels. Here's your classic design, the Impala. Got that one. Put that on the carousel, and there's the first one going around. And then this variation in black with the blue pinstripes. Nice year for the Impala. We'll put it right there. Then this one came to mind. This is the 64 Continental in a Lowrider theme deco. Nice one. Very big car. Long, low, and lean. We've got this other variation. Art cars in blue. You see the pinstripe and the decos on it. Got those wheel variations on it. And a chrome base. There we go. And then another similar one. This is another art car with the Impala in white and black. Black base, white wheels, pretty cool looking. Definitely a Lowrider, huh? Theme. I thought that would fit pretty good with the show. So there's your first set. Spinning around. Take a look at those. I'm sure you'll agree that's a pretty good start. Pretty good start. So let that go for just a second. And we'll put this one down, then add this one. This variation that we came across, had to get it. This model is the Lowrider. Can you see the colors? That is really nice. And the engine. We'll put it right there behind the black one, which we'll take down next. And we'll add this variation of the Lowrider. Really nice color, different spectrum. Got the gold wheels. There we go. We'll put it in front of that one. And we'll let them spin for just a second. We got some premiums, some really true, awesome Lowrider, the car culture. I really love this. I've always loved it as a kid. When I first saw them, I was just like, I've got to have one of these. But I really appreciate, it's just an art. Really good car culture. Very exciting, a beautiful piece of history here. And wanted to show you the ones that I like. So we'll put this one aside. And then let's go with, I've got the Matrix Continental in Premium. That's definitely a lowrider. May not agree, but it's riding low on probably airbags. I don't know. Got to put that one on there. It's a premium, so we'll put that on there. And we'll take this one down. And then we'll swap it over with a convertible. Let's put a convertible. Definitely just a classic piece. Auto World. Had this one for a while now. There's opening hood. We'll put it right there. And we've got a white one with the blue interior, which is very nice. Kind of a basic lowrider theme. Stock wheels. Opening hood. What we'll do is replace that with this one. So as these go around, we'll take this one off and take another look at that. Bye-bye. Very good. And then we're going to do some Pontiacs. Look at that low and long, mean, premium. Beautiful casting. Just had to put this one on there too. I thought it would fit pretty good with the theme too. And we'll take this one down. We'll place it with this other premium Pontiac GTO. Long, look at the sparkle. You got that one. Very nice. So yeah, it's been a while since I've been hunting. Haven't been able to get out very much. But that's okay. I wanted to do a video at least to show you some of the things that I already have, and put these on video so I can look at them myself and really realize how cool of a lowrider themed collection that I do have. And just wanted to do that car culture justice and give it a tribute, because it is a very fantastic piece of car history, car culture. Very appreciative of it. So we'll put this one down. And then we'll do this green light chase piece, Chevy Caprice, green base, kind of a gold color. There's your front end. And we'll put that on the carousel. That's one of the green light California lowrider series. So we'll take this one down. Add this one. Look at that one. That's true lowrider style. California lowrider. Got your opening hood there. Very nice detail on this one. Really cool to have this one. Just mainly a display piece. There's your Continental kit. Premium all day long. So we'll replace this one with that. Oh yeah. And these things are just so beautiful. I love to look at these up close and have these part of my collection. Now I get to see them on TV and look at them anytime I want. Here we've got a California lowrider Cadillac in kind of like a spider web design in blue and white. Just unbelievable. Very, very cool. I'm sure you can appreciate this one. That is a great car. Look at that. So we'll put it right there. It basically takes up the whole space, don't it? So let's replace this one And we'll really replace it with this iconic piece. This is really cool. This is one of my favorite ones. Man. Got the opening hood. Now that is a classic Lowrider piece. That is one of the stars of the show of my collection. Look at those old vintage Lowrider wheels when they first came out. That's cool. So these really are embodied of the examples of what a Lowrider should look like, in my opinion. I'm sure you would agree. So let's take this one down. And then we'll add a Monte Carlo. Oh my God, look at the Johnny Lightning. Can you see the interior? Look at the steering wheel. Got the Lowrider, the small wheels raised up. The hydraulics have got it up. Got the tag, and you got a sunroof on it. There's your front end. Maybe the training day car. Had to put that one on there. That is the coolest piece of Monte Carlo that I think I've got. So let that spin for just a moment. We'll take this one down. We'll add this Montezuma Hot Wheel with the targa top, customized all the way around. Just very cool piece. There's your rear end. And then your front end on that Monte Carlo right behind that one. And then we've got one last Monte Carlo, the moving parts from Matchbox. Had to have this as soon as I saw it coming out. I'm like, I've got to get my hands on this one too. And so you can see that the opening doors, and then there's your pinstripes on it. May not be lowered, but it is in the Lowrider theme. And I figured I would show this one as well. Had to add it to the car show. And it is a show winner as well. So we'll put that one on there. One last car to show, which is just it's a bummer because the front end, when I got it, I mean, this is an Auto World, just a very bum front end. It wasn't made very well, but there it is with the opening hood. So we'll just put it aside, but I really thought that I would want to show this one as well. Chevy Impala. The back wheels roll pretty good, but the front is messed up, so we'll just put that down there. All right. Almost to the end of the show. If you made it this far, it's about 13-14 minutes long here, and we'll replace the cars down. We'll go show you the last round, which are my trucks. And even when it comes to Lowrider theme and a Lowrider car show, we gotta include the La Troca. Yeah, there's definitely an art car. Had to have that one. I love the black and gold, the lace wheels, and this is the La Troca Hot Wheels truck. There's that first variation. We got this variation in this color with the silver chrome pinstripes. Your front end, and then the back end on it. We picked up the gold variation as well in that one. And I do have the faster than ever variation that I've shown in the previous video a long time ago, last year, early last year. And last of those, we got the white variation of the La Troca Art cars with the disc wheels, the gold and the white pearl. Man, that is a fantastic truck. Definitely a lowrider for sure. We're going to include a Chevy, which is a Super Treasure Hunt, in this theme. Had to put this one in there. I wanted this one as a Lucy. There's a Chevy for you right there. I guess they're all Chevys. Yeah. The last one is a square body, which is an Auto World and definitely a lowrider truck theme. Chevy square body. Has an opening hood. There's your front end. Get the small, authentic wire wheels. And then, of course, the tailgate comes down. And there's your top. And that's it. So what do you think? Which one is your show winner for the Lowrider Car Show? Who wins first place? I think they all win, in my opinion. I love them all. Definitely the premiums really do it for me. I want to get some more. Maybe we will. But we definitely wanted to figure out what to do on this episode of Diecast Carousel. I wanted to thank you for hopping on for another ride and spinning some more diecast cars for you. This will be the end of the show. I'm going to say happy hunting and peace. Have a great day.